This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Here's a fast and easy version of the famous Russian dish, Chicken Kiev. It tastes the same as the original, which means it tastes great. But it takes less than half the time and half the effort to make.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
First, heat up the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. I have here 1 kilogram of chicken wings on a roasting tray. They have been washed and dried. Drizzle and coat about 3 tablespoons of oil over the chicken wings. You can use olive oil or any other vegetable oil. Season it generously with salt and pepper. Bake the wings in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes till it's golden brown. Remember to turn the wings halfway through the cooking process. Meanwhile, prepare the herb butter and breadcrumbs. Put 3 slices of white or whole wheat bread in a chopper and process it till you get fine crumbs. Fry the breadcrumbs over low heat with 2 tablespoons of oil till it's brown and it's crispy. For the herb butter, soften 120 grams of butter. To this, add in 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, one tablespoon of lemon juice, and pepper. Give it a good mix. You can make a lot more of this by scaling up the recipe. Roll it up in a cling wrap and store it in the fridge. It keeps in the fridge or freezer for a long time. And it's great with grilled, roasted, or pan-fried meats and vegetables. When the chicken wings are done, remove the wings. While the wings are still hot, sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the wings. Place some butter on top of each wing and let the heat melt the butter and flavor the wings. Sinfully good roasted chicken wing Kiev in half the time and effort.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.